guys, welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, nag-vlog na naman ako kasi meron akong gown. Nakita niyo naman to, pang curly. Yes, alright, pang curly siya. Magka-curly tayo ng hair.
I like exciting.
Pwede ka na umusog video. Ginamit pa talaga yung gagamitin ko para mag-skincare.
Careful not to hit that rock, Daddy Pig.
Ito yung pang curly natin. Tatry lang to guys. Nakasaksak. Patayin na natin. Okay. Wag B. Patayin muna natin. Mainit.
Wala yung init.
Okay. Peppa Pig.
Again.
Alam mo na anak ng pet out kasi wala kang magawa. Sige, stop.
If I could possibly avoid it,
Count try guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 20 yan babe.
It's time to come on. Oh, we have to take the canoe
Uy.
back.
yes. So we do have to go through that bit again. Ready, Mummy Pig?
Ready, steady, go.
Goofy! Kulot mo.
Hi again. Do you need a push? Yes, please.
Like the best. Ano to talaga ganyan talaga?
Slow down, passionate. Hi there. Mrs.
Pwede siyang i-reban.
You startled me.
Sorry, Miss Rabbit. I was just giving them some help.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mrs. Crocodile.
Very well.
Eh, may i-reban ko ulit.
Trip in the world ever.
Kasi mali. Tapos ilalak ko na. So, ano ba? Baw na. Baw na boy. Excuse me. Ang pangit yung lasa ng buhok mo. So guys, may naglilinis. Dahil makapal siya, matagal.
Kinds of animals. Yes, mademoiselle. Today we'll be eating wild animals. But
Yeah.
don't worry, the
Try lang
wild
yun, di ba?
animals will be safely behind fences.
Try lang yun.
Ah, a lion has escaped.
1, 2, 3,
I'm
4.
Mr. Lion. Welcome to the zoo.
It is Mr. Lion, the zookeeper.
Hello, Mr. Lion.
You picked a good time to visit. It's feeding time. This way to the animals.
It's feeding time na daw sa Peppa Pig. Ibig sabihin, ipapakain sila Peppa Pig sa mga tayo.
They don't look like they could ever run.
Oh,
No.
takot, takot.
Slowly.
Yes, that's why they live to be so old.
How long do they live?
Tortoises can live 100 years.
Wow.
Now, who knows what tortoises like to eat?
That's cute.
That's right. That's why we feed them lettuce.
Sir Batamila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
For some reason, I always get those two mixed up.
Mr. Lion, what animal will we see next?
I'll give you a clue. It lives in water.
Is it a whale or a shark?
Sasabog na ako, Bet.
Look carefully into
Makatawa ko.
the water.
I can't see anything. There's nothing in there. I think I'll
Bata dyan.
crocodile.
Lahat na lang, Bet.
I'm Mrs. Crocodile. I'm the keeper in charge of the penguins.
Te.
Adorable, aren't they? Now it's their feeding time. Penguins eat fish.
Penguins are very good at catching and waddling.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Charot.
Swimming?
Bilis naman.
That's why we have this fancy pool for.
Curly talaga siya guys.
Interesting. Thank you, Mrs.
Kapag sinupply mo yan, mag-i-stay.
It's our pleasure, Mrs. Wildebeest.
Gazelle.
Of course, yes. Gazelle.
Kapag ginamit mo siya, dito mo siya
I
iyaan.
can see it. It's very tall. It's a giraffe.
Tutok
Yes,
ka
that's
kami
my
na.
dad.
Kung
He's
sakit
the
patay
king
ka.
at the zoo.
Ibig na
I'm Mr. Giraffe.
Hello, Mr. Giraffe. What sort of animal are you looking after?
See if you can guess.
Look up there. There's a nest. It must be
Wala
a
kasi
giant
kung ano eh.
wild animal. It must be hiding,
Kuya Roy.
watching us, waiting to pounce. Butterflies.
Mr. Giraffe looks after the butterflies.
Is it the butterflies' feeding time?
Yes, and the butterflies get all the food they need from these flowers.
It is amazing they can live on just the food from flowers.
I wish I could get by just eating flowers.
Yes.
All this talk of eating has made me quite hungry.
Me too. Well, it's our feeding time now.
What's for lunch today, Mr. Lion?
Oh, lunch boxes for everyone. Sandwiches, fruit juice, and an apple.
Little picnics in boxes.
Tuck in, everyone.
Mr. Lion loves feeding time at the zoo.
Kaya na guys, kulot na yung hair.
Dig a well.
Guys, kung siya may ginagawa ko naman na dito.
Digger, digger. George likes diggers. I like diggers too.
And today, you'll both be driving wheel diggers.
Wow.
Here is Mr. Potato. Welcome to Digger World, where all your digger dreams come true. This is the Sand Digger Ride. Pepper and George, jump on board. Mummy and Daddy Pig, you have to pedal. Oh.
So, ito na yung nakuha ko.
Now, fill up this big bucket with sand.
This is fun.
Kulot na kulot talaga siya guys.
Excellent work, children. Now we flip the bucket over. Give it a tap. And voila!
Hooray.
Pepper and George have made a big sand castle.
Let's go to the next ride.
This is the wall building ride.
Wala kang pakita
Soft
straight
blocks
yan.
to make a wall.
Basta sa akin.
Mummy?
Katapos.
Okay, Peppa. Pedal faster, Mummy. Oh, I'm going as fast as I can.
Eh?
Nearly finished.
Ako.
There. A lovely wall.
Here comes George with a demolition digger.
Ay, gagawin ko lang ito. And
Dear, George has
ito.
knocked down
Ito
Pepper's
curly.
wall.
Itong mga to.
You naughty
And itatabi ko muna. Kahit curly na ipapakita ko.
Them knocking them down. It's
Snack mo
all
skincare.
part of the fun and digger
Hindi dapat gumawa ka ng sariling vlog. May vlog ka diba?
This
Ayoko
is the
mag-vlog.
grabber machine.
Why?
How do we play this
Gusto ko
one?
lang talaga.
Let's hope it's not pedal.
Ayoko
Mummy and
mag-update.
Daddy Pig to the pen.
Yeah, kung alam niyo yung account ko, huwag kayo magreklamo kaya hindi ako mag-update. Kasi marami pang project.
Lovely prize.
Huwag kayo magreklamo. Dapat pala project ka, like, inaano.
Dolls or toy dinosaurs to be won.
Binibigyan ko nga lang, kaso nga lang, late na tayo. Kaya hindi ko nakakaya.
Okay, George, let's get a dinosaur. This way, George. No, that way. Back.
Hindi na, dalihin natin yung skincare ko.
We've got the dinosaur. Oh,
Dinosaur toy is too heavy for the grabber. Try again.
oh no, we got to Mr. Potato Dog.
The Mr. Potato doll is just the right weight for the grabber.
Tutok ko
Aren't you lucky? And it's yours to keep. But
Make a
best
tie.
news is you
And
have
curly
earned your
time.
digger badges. You are fully qualified digger drivers. Thank you for visiting
Be,
world.
be,
where
lutang,
your
be,
digger
lutang.
dreams come true.
Imbis na ito yung gagamitin natin yung nagkakaroon.
I really like Digger World because we get to drive.
Stop! It is Mr. Bull.
What's the matter, Mr. Bull?
We're building a wall across the road.
Digger, Digger.
Hoy, bakit pre? Yu. So, bye-bye.